I want to think about the biggest issue that is disturbing you at the moment. I mean, that you're worried about currently. Just think about it for a second. Just think about it. That thing that you know is disturbing you strongly, that you wake up, you're a bit disturbed, you're worried about it at the moment. Okay, think 5 years back. What was the thing that was disturbing you? Is it the same thing that is disturbing you today? Okay, think 10 years back. Is it the same thing? Okay, think 20 years back. Is it the same thing? I don't know how old you are, but look back at your life and then 5 years, 10 years back, or 15 years back, and check it and see. Those things that were worrying you then, those years, are they the same things that are disturbing you today? I can guarantee you that they are not. Same also it is with what is disturbing you today. It's just about time. Give it time. Everything is about time. You outgrow every situation and you grow into a new level. At every stage in time we get as humans, we face every challenges. Every stage, every level, every age you get into comes with its own unique challenges and differences. But it's just a matter of time. So you don't need to kill yourself concerning anything. That thing you're worried about today that you think will kill you, maybe 5 years time, it will be the least of your worry. It will be the least of your worry, especially if you work towards it. You may say money is your problem at the moment. If you work towards making money, just give it 5 years. Money may not be your problem 5 years from now. So, but think 10 years back, maybe what was disturbing you 10 years back, I'm sure it's totally different, like I said. Same also it is with life in general. Time heals every wound. Just give it time, and time will heal it. Selah. So if you like this particular video and you believe that time indeed